Let's look at finding the measure of the angles in problem 17 from lesson 5.3. Letter A will be a linear pair with the number 100. So go ahead and subtract 180 minus 100 to get that linear pair. Letter B can be found by looking at the isosceles triangle in which B is the vertex angle. If A is 80, this angle is also 80 because the base angles are congruent. So if we take 180 minus 80 plus 80, that gives us angle B. Angle C is a linear pair with angle B, so 180 minus B will give us C. D is created by two parallel lines and a transversal. D is an alternate interior angle with this angle right here, which happens to be a vertical angle for B. So you can say that D is B by alternate interior angles. Letter E is a linear triad with D. So if you take 180 minus D and then divide that by 2, that should give you the measure of angle E. F is part of this triangle, and now that you know both E and B, you should be able to find F by taking 180, subtract those two angles. It's easier to find H before finding G. H is 180 degrees minus, if you look at this triangle, the 90 degrees plus the vertical angle with D. Here's D, here's its vertical angle. So if you subtract those two, that will give you H. And then G is a linear pair with H. M is along this transversal on these two red lines, which are parallel. You can see that G and M are both above and to the right, so they're corresponding. So M will be the same measure as G. N, which is way over here, is along this transversal. It's corresponding to 100 degrees.